Hi parents, I wanted to get on here and just check in with you and let you know of some helpful tips and resources that you can use while helping your child learn at home. Your students should be fairly familiar with Clever since they have been using it all year, which I know has only been a couple of weeks right now, but they still use it every day, so they should be fairly familiar. If you need help with logging on to Clever, please watch my other video about how to log on to Clever. Alright, so when you get to Clever and you see the panda icon, I want you to click on this panda icon and it will take you to a page similar to this. Everything on my page is going to look a little different since it's the teacher side, but everything should look fairly similar. You're going to scroll down when you get here to Parent Resources, which is down here. Please note that to get to this, you have to use your child's Clever QR code. You cannot just log on to Clever without that. It will not allow you to see my page. So make sure, even if you're looking it up without your child, you use their QR code to sign in. Here, I want you to click on Help, and it's going to take you to some slides. Now, again, these slides might look a little bit different since they are editable on my side, but not on yours. But they should look fairly similar. Okay, let's go through some of these slides. The first slide I have is just a little brochure. Please know all communication will be done through Seesaw. That's the best way to get a hold of me and the best way for us to communicate. So we have one platform we're communicating on. We'll also have Zooms. Please refer to the platform of Seesaw for all assignments. There will be Monday and Tuesday. I sent some paper things home, but mostly everything else will be online. What to expect daily is you're going to expect daily Zooms, which we'll go over the times of those later. But we'll have daily Zooms, one in the morning, a check-in in the afternoon, and the check-in in the late afternoon around 3. The early Zooms are the most important as we do class meetings to connect with one another, so we're still getting that social time, and also we're learning phonics and our social emotional learning, along with attendance. Lunch is available from 11 to 12 in the north parking lot at Buehler Grade School. That is free. I encourage you to go get that lunch for your child. Since we are under quarantine, they would appreciate if you did not bring your child in. I believe they will bring lunch out to you. And if you cannot get to the school, please call the school and let them know, and we will find a way to help you with that. Please make it a priority to attend these daily Zooms. I want to see your child. I will try and record them every time. This morning, I'm sorry I didn't click record. I just was not thinking about it. Everything's a little crazy, I know. I will try my best to go ahead and record that, though, every day. So if they miss it, they can re-watch it. But we would love to see them every day. They did a great job today listening, and thank you, parents and guardians, for those of you who were there to help as well. That was very helpful. And the students who didn't have an adult, they did a great job as well of being responsible. So that was great. Please remember to take screen breaks. Allow your student to have time away from the screen, especially during recess times, especially during between assignments. Let them take a break from it. The screen can get very, very tiresome, and we want them to still be able to be kids and have fun. All right. Next, this is the saying up top that I say to your students every day, and they say back, just reminding them how amazing they are. So I just wanted to include that up there. This goes over some of the apps and websites. Clever will be your home base, along with Seesaw during our Flex Learning. Simply scan your QR code on the Clever Page or app, click on the panda icon, and then the link. Find the link aligning with the assignment. So that is just like the Seesaw, or I'm sorry, not the Seesaw, like the Clever links I had showed you on the other video. And again, all assignments, announcements, personal message, and Zoom links will be posted on Seesaw. Our current calendar is a tentative template and is subject to change. I will keep you up to date on the schedule. So the schedule might change a little bit day to day depending on the library or music and PE schedule. I just want to thank you as well for all of the love and support. We so appreciate you. I have felt so supported and feel like your kiddos are so lucky to have you there to support them. I'm so thankful that you are working with them. All right, if you need a reminder of how to log on to Clever, here it is, which is also in our how to log into Clever video. So I'm just going to show you that and walk through. This just explains what Lexia is and some ways to log on iPads or on Chromebooks. Then we have Extra Math. It explains Extra Math a little bit more. A reminder of Zoom times and what they need to bring every day for their Zoom. This 8 to 9:15 time is kind of flexible. It will always start at 8, but it might not last until 9:15, but I went ahead and put down until 9:15 just in case. The other two will only be 15 minutes at the longest. They are just check-ins to make sure no one has any questions and that we're all doing okay. Here is our daily schedule. And the details will be posted daily, just like I sent you earlier. All of the blue sections are Zooms. Then finally, I have some Tumble books here. I have the app. If your child wants to watch some Tumble books or it's part of the assignment for the day, please just note they will need to put in the username and password at the very top of the page, Bueller as the username, and books as the password. Neither are capitalized, and make sure that you type those in, not with spaces or anything. Sometimes that messes it up. I know a lot of students have troubles with that. I will add to this help resource as time goes on, but I hope that this can serve as a helpful tool, and thank you again.